my bedroom. This is Ems reporting for duty this Christmas Eve. Okay, as of now, time check, it's 1:24. Okay. I'm eating popcorn, okay? And my first ever glass of vodka and orange juice. Yes, you heard me correctly. This is my second glass of vodka drink tonight before I go to sleep. So I had a very nice Christmas dinner with friends and folks and had coffee. And now it's time for my Christmas Eve midnight snack brought to you by my own Canon camera video cam. Sorry. And so this is very nice. So to my friends, family, okay, and supporters out there, cheers! Merry Christmas 2011! Tastes good. Num num num. Actually, this drink is like mineral water. Okay? Second glass and I feel nothing. Okay? So I kept on eating this delicious popcorn brought to you by the beautiful island of the Philippines. Bye bye! Good night, folks! Cheers!